Other reseller already came in, pick him up all of this. We got some empty racks. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And welcome back to the Nike outlet store. And as you can see, we have a long line. It's kind of chilly out here as well, so let's check out inside what we could find. Hopefully we could find something really good. And as you can see right there, there is a $9.99 on the clothing with a 30% as well. So we have here Kyrie 6, $99.99, no additional discount. Well, how about the Tennis Classic CS 34 Joyride Dual Run, and check out the price, $49.97 with the additional 30% off. And the Nike Air Zoom Wild Horse 5, and how much it is, $59.97. Nike Odyssey React 2 Planet, and this one $49.97 and $49.97 as well with the 30% off with that different colorway. How about the Nike Air Zoom Structure 22? It is wide though, $59.97 with the 30. Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 34, $54.97 with the 30% off. Well, how about the Zoom Pegasus Turbo? Here you go, $79.97 with the 30% off. So I'm taking this one, probably choosing the right size that is more profitable. So it's because of the 5 limit as well. So I'm not gonna pick up some size 7.5. Probably I'm taking all these 7.5. And also I check out maybe picking up some 11.5. %10% off on the bags only. So since not much of a student go to school, and that's why they are marking down a lot of good backpacks, just like this Jordan one. I like this one though. Check out the price with the additional 40%, not bad. Alright, we got the Air Max Kiddo on that price. Wow, $29.97 with a 30. Same of Kiddo with a different colorway, $34.97. And this one, same. How about the Element 55 SE60? $4.97 with additional 30% off, so not bad for that price. And how about the Air Max 270 React, retail $160? They are reselling for $79.97 with additional 30. This one might gonna go down $49. How about the Nike Flight Legacy, $90 retail, $79.99, still high. This might gonna go down for $49. Alright, next one, we got the Joyride CC Setter, $180 retail, and they are selling for how much? What you think? Really? $69.97 with the 30. Nike Akame, $49.97 with additional 30%. I like the color though. Now we are in Jordan aisle. We got the Jordan Mars 270 still sitting here, $99.99. Still high price and still no buying on this one, even though that one black and gold. How about the another Jordan Mars 270, different colorway with that patent leather, bread patent leather, still high price. Alright, LeBron, Icon QS, and they are also sitting on $169.99, no additional discount. Alright, look at this one. Almost cleaned it up. $44.97 with additional 30. What we have in here is this one. What do you think? PG3 TV promo we got here is the kind of UNC colorway. Ooh, not bad. It's very cheap for this Paul George with that very simple UNC colorway. I'll take some of it. Okay, might be gonna leave behind some. This size 15, leave it behind. Alright, how about this one? We got the Zoom Freak 1, retail 120. They're selling for $74.97 with additional 30% off. Not bad for the price. Bag is secured, so let's go home and let's break it down what we got here on the Nike outlet store if we had a good ones for a profit. So let's go home. So we have here this one pick up on the Nike outlet. So this is the only good one that I found. So starting off, we got the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2. The retail on this one is to 180. So I pick it up all the size 7.5 and all the size 11.5. So what is this one? Let's take out the box. The colorway of this one is black, white, and gun smoke. So there you go. Just a nice running shoes right there. And check out how many are reselling. So the result is 50 are reselling on this one, and how much are being sold. So there is 48 result, as you can see right there, 48 result that has been sold out already for 60 days. So that's not a bad outcome since already there is a 50 as being listed and 48 has been sold out for 60 days. That's not bad. So how much we got this one? We got it for $79.97, additional 30, and then something came up that there is another 10% off discount. So that is around $50 for this pair of shoes. So let's count how much gonna be our projected profit. So input is 50, cost is 50. So I'm gonna do a free shipping, so $15, but I'm gonna sell it for 115. Profit should be around 41.67. The return is 83%. So the final price, there's gonna be a free final price because this is an athletic shoes, and eBay you don't have to pay any additional fees because it is an athletic shoe. So that is a good one, getting me a 48% return. Ooh, not bad for those, not bad. Alright, so this is the last pair that is already on the store when I found this one. So we got here the PG3 TB promo. We got the size 12, 13, and 7.5 right there. So I left behind the size 15. So kind of too big. So I left one pair. Okay, so we got here the University blue and white colorway. So you can't go wrong on this colorway on this one. Pretty nice with a nice tint of blue with some kind of speckles on the midsole. So how much we got this one? $49.97 with additional 30 and then additional 10%. So my buy cost is $31. And this one, not bad. Well, how many is being listed on eBay? So this is the only listed on eBay. There is 16 results. So some reselling, some more 190, 100, shipping 79, 100. So I'm thinking I'm gonna list this out somewhere 100 and then free shipping since I already got them, so a little bit cheaper. Okay, sold out for 60 days. There is 29 results. Wow, not bad. 60 days, 16 listed, and then 29 has been sold out for 60 days. So not bad for that one. They're selling for 100, 84, 81, 100 free shipping, 100, mostly 100 free shipping and that's what I'm gonna go with it, so that I could let this go for very quick one. And 31, let's see how much gonna be my return. So buy cost is 31 right there, so I'm gonna do a free shipping, 15 bucks. That is estimated because I want to do like 2 days shipping, so that is still estimated. It can go lower, but that is my estimated final price. I'm gonna sell it for 100. And how much would be my return? My profit return is 46.70, and that is return of 150% return of investment. Wow, that's a lot. So as you can see right there, 31 and 15. I might gonna go higher more because of I set the shipping for $15. This might gonna go down somewhere 8 or 9. It depends where it goes, but I set it from 15 just to make sure I have more rooms. That's what I do. I always put the highest expensive shipping, so to make sure I'm not losing anything when it comes to shipping. So as you can see right there, 150% return of investment. Whoa. So that is what I do. Most of my inventory, 90% of my 99.99% my inventory is buy low, sell high, getting them for very low and sell them for more profit. So what do you think at what I got on Nike outlets? Not too much because they already reseller came in before me, so that this is the leftover that I found. But still not bad for that profit, not bad for a day on the Nike outlet. So what do you think? Can you please leave a comment down below? If you really like this video, can you please give a thumbs up? If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I hope you learned something new on this vlog. And with that being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay hustling. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye. Peace.